Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Spending Time with the Williams Family. I'm Kendra. I'm so delighted that you're here and you stopped by. If you could do me a favor, since you're here, go ahead and like and hit the subscribe button for this video. So today we have an unboxing, a Kate Spade unboxing, and I also have a Kate Spade item that I've had for a while, and I'm going to go ahead and review that and maybe compare the two. So let's get started. So this is the box. It's from Kate Spade. I ordered it online. They had a sale and they sent me an email with a coupon. So I went ahead and took part. So you open it up, and on the inside, this is what it looks like. This side. And you get the Kate Spade New York. Thank you for shopping with us, and customer service information here. So if you have any questions, they give the 800 number for you to call. And then this is the item. Comes right like this. Inside, this was not wrapped inside the item. They give you your care booklet. You get that. And they actually gave me 2 of these. If anyone is interested in the item itself, you get that. And let's go ahead and unwrap this. And this is the item. This is the Kate Spade New York Staci Colorblock key holder in pink. So let's go ahead, and comes well packaged. Let's go ahead and get that off of there and pull it out. Definitely comes well packaged. Everything is covered up. So this is what the item looks like on the outside. You have your key ring there, and then you open it up. This is what it looks like on the inside with the gold hardware. And you have your Kate Spade right there. And this is 6 rings. So this has 6 of the little key rings. This one here in the middle is a little bit slightly bigger than the other ones. And then now here, if you have like a key fob for your car, like I'll be putting my key fobs here. I have a key fob for my vehicle and then for my husband's truck. So that'll go there. It has, I don't know if you guys can see that. It says Kate Spade right there. So yeah, I like it. I was looking for a new key holder or key wallet for my keys. And I'm going to show you why in a minute. I ordered something from Kate Spade, I want to say last spring or summer, for my keys. And I like it, but I really don't like it. So it's this one right here. This is the Kate Spade New York Cameron medium L-zip card holder. This has the silver hardware. So you have the Kate Spade name there in the front. And this is like the lavender. And then it has the color block with the blue. And then in here, same thing. I was sent the booklet. And then on here, this tag actually has the price. It's retail $89. I did not pay $89 for it. With the coupon that they sent me when I purchased this, I believe I paid maybe $50 or $60 for it. So yeah, and then it has the key ring here which says Kate Spade on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says Kate Spade there. So yes, I really do like this. I have like a love-hate relationship with it. It holds a lot of cards, money, change, coins. You have your pocket here. Then it has the 3 slots for cards, and then it has like an opening here. And then you unzip it. And then on the inside, it's just open space. So I actually received an offer for this on our eBay store. Someone sent me an offer and asked me, you know, what would I accept for this? So I'm thinking about selling it. So I did send the person a reply earlier with an offer. So if they are interested, it is theirs. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with it. I don't have a lot of Kate Spade items. I have this and the new key wallet. I think I have like 2 makeup cases or makeup bags. They're like patent leather. One is like a light blue and then one is a black, I believe. But I have those listed on our eBay store. I was thinking about keeping them though, because I do want to collect some Kate Spade items, you know, just to have them as collector items. So, but I don't think this is one of them. But I do love this. I love the color, the hot pink. And I was actually looking for something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and try it out and see how I like it. And then go from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please bear with me. You know, we're new with this whole YouTube thing. We're trying it. I'm going to try to be more consistent. I'm going to try to get some type of editing software to edit the videos. I'm going to try to look at the camera and not all around making it look like I'm cross-eyed or something like that. But thank you so much for checking out the video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.